In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your Meta account so you can install Hopper and start using WhatsApp within your Salesforce org. Before you begin, make sure you have a WhatsApp business number and a verified Meta account. First, go to your Meta Business Manager. Go to Account and click on Apps. Select Add and create a new app ID. Write a name for the app. Then select Other and click on Next. Choose the business category type. You are now ready to create the new app. Next, go to WhatsApp and select Setup. Before continuing, you'll need to switch your app to live mode. To do that, go to Basic Settings and enter your website's privacy policy URL and Terms of Service URL. Then, click Save Changes. Now, go to WhatsApp API Setup. Scroll down to Add Phone Number. Write down the name and choose your category. You may see a message notifying that it will take up to 3 minutes for the number to be available. Meta requires to add a payment method to continue. Once you've completed the setup, it's time to test it. Go back to Business Settings, navigate to Accounts, go to Apps, and select the one you just created. Click Open on the App panel, then go to WhatsApp on the left menu, and open API Setup. Enter your phone number to test if messages are being delivered. Then click Send to verify. Next, you'll need to generate a temporary token. This token is required during the Hopper installation process in Salesforce. Keep in mind that it's only valid for 24 hours. To complete the installation, you will need to create a permanent token. Please watch our video on how to do it. For the next steps, make sure Hopper is already installed in your Salesforce org. Once it's installed, go to Salesforce and paste the temporary token into the User Access Token field within the Hopper Admin tab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.